Okay, it's me again, the annoying boy from the street. Okay, so yeah, I'm about to do the hot sauce challenge.
Ready, set.
She just got done crying.
Like straight hot sauce. No, he's got to do it like 3 times. Drink it. Like your mom said, give him more.
Man, you messed up too.
Hannah started crying. Put some more in the cup.
Put that thing in there.
Okay, go.
Go. Don't think about it. Just hurry.
Yeah, man, you right. I think my tongue's bleeding.
He's sipping it like it's Kool-Aid.
Are you about to immediately number 3 yourself?
Hannah, come on.
Look at his face.
He's gonna have diarrhea.
That's what I said. He's gonna immediately number
Okay,
3 himself
that's it.
right now.
Who's the challenge? He already won.
No, Hannah did it.
You did more than that?
Hannah's lasted for like 3 minutes. He's only on 1.5 minutes.
But still,
She had that
she
many
did more.
glasses full of it?
Not that much in a glass. You're
what I'm
pouring
saying,
now
you
for
gotta
your
measure.
kid.
Oh.
We got 3 little
know.
cups here.
Jairus was pouring for Hannah.
Quit! You can't take breaks. It's gonna make it worse.
Oh.
So you're doing the time? You just timing?
No,
3
I don't
minutes?
know we don't know what the challenge is. They're just doing it.
He's done. Do you need some milk, son?
Like what he's drinking out of.
Too bad we don't have any cups, huh? Oh, kids don't get glass cups. Go get the plastic cups from outside.
Oh. Here.
Here.
Thank God.